The following operator training video on the Hobart VS9 dicer attachment that is used with the Hobart Model 9-inch vegetable slicer is a supplement to the instruction manual that came with your attachment. If you have any questions concerning operation, please consult your manual. Your Hobart VS9 dicer attachment is constructed and designed to give long, satisfactory service, providing it is properly used and maintained. This training video will cover the operation of the VS9 dicer and its cleaning. Warning: rotating knives inside. Always use the feed pusher. Keep your hands out. The VS9 dicer attachment is designed to operate in a 9-inch vegetable slicer attachment mounted in a number 12 power drive hub. Use the standard hopper front only. The slicing plate is available in a 3/8-inch French fry grid and in half-inch, quarter-inch, and 3/8-inch dicing grids. This attachment may be powered by mixers, food cutters, or power drives. In this case, we are using a Hobart H600. Note: do not use a speed drive with this unit. Remember to be sure to use fresh, cool, and crisp products when using the VS9. The following products may be diced using a quarter-inch dicing grid: potatoes, apples, celery, onions, carrots, beets, and turnips. When using 3/8-inch and half-inch dicing grids, potatoes, apples, celery, onions, carrots, beets, turnips, and tomatoes can be diced. To obtain the best results when dicing celery and onions, dice at or below 205 RPM. Dice tomatoes with the half-inch serrated dicing grid only. To obtain the best results when dicing tomatoes, use firm tomatoes which have been chilled to a temperature of 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not attempt to dice cheese with this attachment. To dice, be sure that the unit is assembled and adjusted as outlined in your manual. Stop the power unit. Attach the back case of the vegetable slicer to the attachment socket of the power unit with the thumb screw of that unit. Close the hopper front and fasten the latch. Start the power unit. If the power unit is a mixer, as we have here, use first feed only. Raise the feed pusher. Place the product to be diced in the hopper and gently press down on the feed pusher. Too much pressure will crush the food and cause irregularity in the diced product. Warning: unplug the electrical cord or disconnect the electrical power supply before cleaning. Release the latch of the VS9. Swing the hopper front open and lift from the hinge holes. Remove the slicing plate. When removing the slicing plate, place thumbs in thumb slots. Rotate the plate counterclockwise until it unlocks and carefully slide it out. Swing the dicing plate open and lift from the hinge holes. Turn the plate so the back side is facing you. Using the brush supplied with the dicing unit, press gently against the back of the dicing plate grid to push the product through and out the front of the dicing grid knives. Rinse the unit well. Lift the plunger and withdraw the shaft. All parts of the VS9 may be immersed in warm soapy water for cleaning. Rinse in clear water and dry immediately. It is important that juices be cleaned from the attachment before they can dry. After cleaning, coat all knives, both dicing and slicing, with cooking oil to protect the blades. This concludes operator training for the Hobart VS9 dicer attachment that is used with the 9-inch vegetable slicer attachment. To obtain service and parts information concerning this attachment, contact your local Hobart Service office.